Good morning to all. Today, we the students of class 3A are going to present a beautiful activity that is 1 to 10 letter word and their meaning. So, now I would like to call upon my friends to come one by one and present the activity.
Hello friends, I, a very selfish one. I always think about myself. Thank you. Hello friends, I am we. I am two letters word. We saw the togetherness. Thank you. Hello friends, I am ego. Three letters word. Ego is the most dangerous word. That breaks relations. Hello friends, I am love. I am four letters word, which is essential for every relation. Hello friends, I am smile. I am five letters word with smile make everyone beautiful. Hello friends, I am rumor, the most dangerous six letters word. Always ignore me and never believe me. Hello friends, I am success. I am seven letters word which make you famous all around the world. Hello friends, I am jealousy. It is the most dangerous eight letters word which spoil the world life. Hello friends, I am knowledge. I am nine letters word. I am full of wisdom and intelligence. Hello friends, I am confident, the most powerful 10 letters word which improve our personality, so be confident. Thank you.
We should adopt.
Good morning, dear Father Principal, Vice Principal, brothers, teachers, and my dear friends. Thank you, dear Father, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to conduct today's assembly. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our class teacher, Madam Alphonsa, Kerketta, for guiding and helping us to make this assembly a success one. I also would like to thank all of you, my dear teachers and friends, for bringing with us patiently. But last but not the least, I also would like to thank all my classmates for participating in today's morning assembly. Thank you. Have a